Hey guys, Vedant Apps here. In this video I'll be showing you how you can install the iOS/iPadOS 13 beta on your device. Keep in mind this is beta software, so it will be buggy. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and head to beta.apple.com, and this is the page you're going to land on. There's going to be two options down here, sign up and sign in. If you haven't used this program before, you want to hit sign up. So if you have never registered with the Apple Beta software program, the blue button's for you. But if you have, hit sign in. They both require an Apple ID, so make sure you do have one available. It's going to ask you to sign in here. And then it'll bring you to this page, Guide for Public Betas. So if you're going to be installing macOS, hit on the macOS button. If you're going to be installing iOS, make sure you hit iOS. And if you're doing iPadOS, make sure you hit iPadOS. So I'm going to be doing iPadOS. That's already been selected for me. You go ahead and scroll down, and where it says get started, make sure you click enroll your iPad. It's going to suggest that you archive a backup. Go ahead and make one of those. I do strongly suggest it. And then you want to go ahead and download the profile, so this blue button right here on step number 2. So it's going to go ahead and download the profile on your device. Hit allow. And it'll say profile downloaded, and then review it in the settings. So hit close to that. So let's go ahead and head to the settings app, and you'll see in the top left corner, or at the top of the settings page if you're iOS, is the profile is downloaded. So when you tap on that, simply hit install, enter your passcode. Once your passcode is entered, it's going to give you something to agree to, a consent. Hit install and install once again. So you're going to have to restart your iPad, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Right, once you're back and your iPad has restarted, simply head to software update, and you'll see that iPad or iOS 13 beta is now available to download. From here, simply download it like a normal iOS update. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial helped. Do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.